System.io tutorial for beginners, how to use System.io. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with the world's easiest marketing platform, System.io. So let's get started. Now to get started with System.io, the first thing we're going to do is head on over into System.io. The best part is that it's completely free and there's no credit card required. They also have a paid version which allows you to increase the number of contacts as well, but we are going to just get started with the free version and we're going to be taking a detailed look at pricing later on. So we're going to click on start for free and we are going to enter our email address over here like so, and then click on get started for free. Once you do that, you're going to confirm your email address. So we're just going to open up our mailbox and we are going to open up our mailbox and take a look at our verification email. So we have this by System.io. And once we do that, we're just going to confirm our email and we're going to enter our Gmail account, reset my password right now. And like so, we're just going to go back and we have our password reset. Once we do that, we're just going to create a brand new password for our account because I have previously created my account with System.io. Let's just go on ahead and proceed and then change my password. And just like so, we have created our System.io account. So once your System.io account has been created, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Then you have your CRM, you have your websites, emails, automations, assets, and sales. Then on your top right, you have your account. So starting off in your main dashboard, you're going to see a summary of your leads and a general summary of all of the accounts that you have. Now to get started with your System.io account, the first step is going into CRM and then going into contacts because you want to start adding your contacts. Once you click on contacts, you can import your contacts from a pre-existing platform or from a pre-existing list. So you can click on import contacts over here. And once you do that, you can import them from your list. However, if you do not have a list already, you can click on create contact over here. And once you click on create contact, you're going to create your contact manually. Let's say this is going to be kate@gmail.com. And you can enter their last name. And then after that, you can enter their address, first name, state, country, and more information. Below that, you can also select the applicable tags, and you can even create a custom field. If you have something that you want to specify that is unique to your industry or to your business, you can add it as a custom field within the contact information. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and then just click on save. And just like so, our new contact has been added. Now, once you've added your new contact, it's time to move on to the next step, which is going to be to go into the CRM and then go into tags. Now, by default, we have a subscriber tag. However, your tags can be completely unique based upon whatever categorization you're doing. You're just going to click on create and create a name for your tag. Let's say I want to build a separate tag for my VIP customers. So to do this, all I have to do is name my tag, which is going to be called VIP. And then I'm going to click on save. Once I click on save, okay, so currently our plan only allows us to create one tag and we can customize this later on. But from here, we can proceed with the total number of subscribers that are present in this, yesterday, total, removed, and sales. Then you have your pipelines. Now in this, you can click on create and create your initial pipeline. Your pipelines can be sales pipelines, marketing pipelines, prospects pipelines. So pipelines really are variable based upon the business, industry, or the purpose that you are using System.io's core features for. Personally, I really like the basic pipeline because it allows me to categorize my prospects really easily. And even if I have old business with new deals, I'm still able to use this pipeline really easily to have my stages be defined. If you want to customize any of the stages, just click on the plus icon and you can add your own stage like so. I'm going to delete this stage and just name this my sales pipeline and then just click on save. And like so, our pipeline has been created. Now, once your pipeline has been created, you will see the name of it as well as different stages and any deals that are present. And now from here, you can actually get started with using your pipeline and categorizing. Now below that, you also have a calendar which can help you in staying up to date on all of the events. Next up, you have your blogs, sales funnels, and digital stores. System.io is not just a tool that can help you in marketing, but it's a tool that can help you in marketing marketing, even with complex things like landing pages. You can easily use System.io to create your own web store or landing page. I don't recommend this for e-commerce use, but I do recommend it for landing pages because landing pages can serve a great purpose. So you can go into blogs and build blogs, simply click on create and proceed. Next up, you have your emails and newsletters, which are one of the core features that you might be using on System.io. So just go into newsletters and you can get started with building your first newsletter or your first campaign. First off, you're going to choose the subject of your newsletter. Let's say this is going to be our summer collection drop. And then the sender name is going to be Lily. Sender email address is going to be my email address, like so. And it's recommended to use a personal email. It's recommended to use a business email because personal emails do often bounce. So I do recommend that you do that and then just click on save and then you can proceed. Now you can also create campaigns in the same way, and then statistics will be shown to you. You will see your overall email sent, the average percentage of opened emails, as well as the percentage of bounced emails, percentage of spam reports per opened email as well. And this data can help you in ensuring that your emails are never bounced and you're able to create campaigns that are going to be translating in an effective way. Now, moving forward, we also have automation rules and workflows, which we can create. You can set up a trigger and an action that happens based upon the trigger. So whenever I have a new subscriber, let's say I want to send them an automatic welcome email, I can automate these processes to make it easier for me. You can even base this upon any sale that is canceled, sales that are occurring, lectures that are completed, and more. You even have assets where you can add your physical products, courses, communities, and files, and then a separate sales section to manage your order and transactions. So you do have a lot of e-commerce functionality integrated within System.io that can help you in getting started if you only have a couple of products, especially if you're someone that's an influencer or a course creator or a teacher. System.io can serve all of your needs without having to subscribe to multiple different platforms. But all of these amazing features must come at a price. Well, if we take a look at System.io's pricing, the free version allows you to add 2,000 contacts and send unlimited emails. You can create one campaign, unlimited newsletters, one automation rule, and you can build upwards of 3 sales funnels with 15 steps. You also have one booking calendar, and you have Stripe integrations, Apple Pay integrations, PayPal integrations, with one blog, as well as a link in bio and unlimited physical products that you can sell. You can sell one online course as well as build one community, run your own affiliate program, and have 24/7 email support. So the free version of System.io can actually help you in getting your business off the ground and running. It is going to serve you in all elements that are necessary, and you're able to build a comprehensive business. However, if you want to upgrade, the startup plan is only $17 a month, then you have their webinar plan at $47, and then their unlimited plan at $97 a month. So you are able to use these amazing features on System.io for almost unlimited top tier for only $97, and you get 2 months for free if you subscribe annually. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.